The DR5000 does not need to be connected to the computer for finding the installed version of the DR5000 app. Just bring up the DR5000 app. It should come up in demo mode. Click on the USB icon next to the power connector. The latest version number will show the installed version. This will let you know if you need to upgrade or downgrade the DR5000 app. To upgrade, just download the version 1.5.5 software and install on the computer per the manual instructions. The following procedure should be done on the computer used to control the DR5000. We need to uninstall the DR5000 app and also remove 2 folders. Let's remove the app first. Make sure the USB cable is not connected to the DR5000. On the computer screen in the lower left corner is a search box. Type apps in this box. Then click on the apps and features. Now scroll down the list of apps until you reach the DR5000 app. This is the file that needs to be deleted. Click on the DR5000 app and you will see that my version is 1.6.3. Now click on the uninstall button to remove this app. The app will be deleted, then close this window. Now we need to remove a folder's content. This folder contains the version 1.6.3 install and will be regenerated again when we install the version 1.5.5 software. Open File Explorer. Click on the C drive or the hard drive you installed the DR5000 app. You will see a folder named DigiKeys. Click on this folder. There may be other DigiKeys installed products here, but the only one we need to modify is the DR5000 folder. Click on the DR5000 folder to open it. You will see 2 folders, Config and Drivers. We need to delete these 2 folders. We need to download the version 1.5.5 app software to your download directory. The link for this download will be in the comments section of this video. Now we need to open the version 1.5.5 zip download and extract the zip file. Just extract it in the download folder. It will create a new folder here. Now we are ready to install the DR5000 version 1.5.5 software. Go to your download directory. Click on the DR5000 version 1.5.5 folder. Now click on the DR5000 version 1.5.5 app. Check that the DR5000 files will be installed in the directory as shown. Connect the USB cable to the DR5000. Bring up the DR5000 app. Click on the USB icon. You should see the DR5000 version is 1.6.3 and the latest version is 1.5.5. Now click the Update DR5000 icon. This will start the update of the DR5000. When the update is finished, the DR5000 version will match the latest version 1.5.5.